So demand and supply impact on market. Okay, you have to be familiar with when to deploy A, B, C. I've given you some options, right? Second, context is king. Make effort. Okay? Next one. When preamble talks about a change in income, YED is necessary. Impact on revenue, expenditure, PES is not necessary. And you have to explain. Okay. Finally, when it comes to evaluation, the same skills are synthesis, significance, long run, short run, combi. Okay, you could try to say what is the most significant impact. Maybe price will be impacted a lot more than the rest, or it could be output. You can also suggest what's the most significant factor. How would things change in the long run? Especially this part. Could there be a reversal? Maybe in the long run, with research and development, maybe you grow the fish in the labs, right? Then the supply change could be bigger than demand change. Or maybe people realize when they eat fish, they're actually eating plastics, so the demand may fall. Okay? You are, eating plastics, microplastics. They go into the water, the fish eat them, you eat the fish. Okay? Mineral water also, there are a lot of microplastics in there. The ones you all always ask me, if I water. Okay? So when I pass you a bottle, maybe shedding 1 day of your life. Okay? Combination, less applicable. This is usually for questions on policies. But you write a synthesis, if it's well written, you get 3 marks. Not enough, you want 5 marks. So what do? Challenge your analysis. So, we always say what? This one, right? Ceteris paribus may not hold. There could be other things happening. So you have to exemplify. What else could be changing? And briefly explain effects. Okay. No diagram. This is evaluation. Keep it short. Okay. Third one, you can highlight something contextual. That also gets you evaluation, like what? Alternative elasticity values. And I'll say especially PED. So as we go for a break,